Hello, how you doing? Roast potatoes, fantastic. Today we're going to make these lovely roast potatoes in the oven. I love these so much. I mean, as a kid, that was my favourite part of any Sunday roast. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so potatoes. Peeled them and washed them. And I've cut them into nice kind of chunky pieces like that. You don't want them kind of much bigger than that, I don't think. Cut them kind of in an irregular fashion so you get kind of nice sharp corners. That's going to help with the roasting. What we're going to do is we're going to drop them into some water, bit of salt, boil them, parboil them, get them ready for the oven. Okay, large pot of water, it's cold water. On goes the heat. Let's drop them in. We're going to add some salt to that. Nice generous amount of salt. And then I'm going to bring that to the boil, and once it reaches boiling point, so it's kind of fairly raging, we're going to let it go for about 4 to 5 minutes for that size. Okay, so while our potatoes are parboiling, let's have a look at this. I've got a metal tray here with some oil in it. Now you can use glass or ceramic, but I think metal is probably better for roasting potatoes. And in there I've got sunflower oil. Now we live in modern times, don't we? So traditionally, duck fat or beef fat or lard would work perfectly for that. I don't have any. If you have it, fantastic, use it. The reason that they work is because they've got a really high burn threshold. Means they can get really hot without just really burning. Sunflower oil is okay. Do not use anything like olive oil. That's a disaster because it's got a really low temperature point. What we're going to do is we're going to get the oven on full blast. No matter what oven you've got, just get it on as high as you can. Preheat it. And then what we're going to do is we're going to pop that in the oven and get that really hot. Once the potatoes come out, they're going to go in. Okay, off goes the heat. These are definitely done. Yeah, they've got a nice little give to them. I mean, you can completely boil them if you want and get them in. It's up to you. Don't cook them all the way or halfway through. Entirely up to you. Right, we're going to drain them off. And then we're going to put them into the roasting tin that you have with the oil that's hot. Okay, so that's been in the oven, you know, just like 5 minutes or so, so it's hot. We're going to get our potatoes. Beautiful. I'm now going to add a bit more salt. I'm going to add some black pepper. And I'm going to add a little bit of dried thyme. Now you don't have to do any of this, quite frankly. You can just go straight in if you want. And if you want, you can get some, you know, onions in there or some, you know, chili pepper, paprika. You know, you can really sort of play around with it. Right, no mucking about. Straight back into the hot oven. Have a look at those lovely little bad boys. What I've done is halfway through, I flipped them. Just flipped them over a little bit. That's exactly how I like them and where I want them to be. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. They were in my oven for 25 to 30 minutes. All ovens are different, and again, depending on how big you've cut your spuds there. Now, in a moment, a chart's going to pop up. You can pause it, and it will show you kind of, you know, temperature or burning points of different oils. Olive oil, rubbish. Lard, duck fat, fantastic. They're beautiful. Hope you enjoy that. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much indeed for watching our videos. It means a great deal to us. Please do hit the thumbs up for us if you like it. Thumbs down if you don't, I suppose. Yeah, don't do that. Just do that. Yeah, and subscribe to us. That would really help us out a lot. We've just hit 100 million views. We're very excited about that. We would love if you could support what we're doing. We don't do any ads or endorse any products at all, even though we're offered it quite a lot. A lot of it rubbish, to be honest. But yeah, we don't want to be doing that. So we've got a little PayPal thing. If you want to buy us a coffee, just a couple of dollars or whatever you want, you can just follow the link, which should be about here now. And yeah, pay me some money. I'm broke. Lots of love.